Good morning, friends. We are going to be reviewing for our test this week, and our first review is going to be matching equations to statements, and we will be reviewing our area model. So matching our equations to statements, we're going to be deciding what we're going to be using. Multiply, adding, subtracting, maybe dividing, or maybe there will be no equation. Like there's no math words in it. So we have to be able to read a statement and match it with its equation. So our first one is Dr. Hasty has 6 students. Mrs. Corbin has 5 more students than Dr. Hasty. Okay, so now we have to find out our information. We know that Dr. Hasty has 6 students, and Miss Corbin has 5 more students than Dr. Hasty. Okay, so my math word on here is more. And if it's more, that means that we have to add. That's our math word. So our equation would look like Miss Corbin has 5 more than Dr. Hasty, who has 6. So our equation would be 5 plus 6. These are the two that would match. Okay, so let's look at another one. Dr. Hasty has 6 students. Mrs. Corbin has 5 students. Okay, so now we have 6 and 5. Do we have any math words here that tell us to do anything? Nope, we don't have any math words here to do anything. So this one would be no equation. So there's nothing here. The numbers are just 6 and 5. We don't have to do anything with them. Dr. Hasty has 6, Miss Corbin has 5. All right. So this one, Dr. Hasty has 6 students. 3 students moved away. Okay. So for this one, and then we have moved away. What does that mean? Moved away. That's right, that would be takeaway, minus. So our equation that would be with this one would be 6 minus 3, because our math word here is moved away. All right, so then our last one is Dr. Hasty has, no, it's not, sorry, the wrong word, gets 6 students each month for 5 months. Okay, so our numbers are 6 and 5 again. And then it's the each month. So each, remember, each was our way of saying, oh, I forgot to highlight that. Each is our way of saying multiply. Remember? Each time, so we would have, our problem would be 6 times 5, and that would be our equation, because 6 with the word each with 5 is 6 times 5. So we're gonna be practicing doing this today, as where we're taking a statement and we're writing the equation that goes with it. The other thing that we are going to be practicing is our area model. We are going to have to be able to multiply a 3-digit, 365 times 3 times 1 digit, and then a 2-digit times a 2-digit. So your assignment for Monday, or for math class, is to have the area model written for 365 times 3 and the area model written for 48 times 53. Remember, you expand, and this one you're going to have to expand both of these. This one you just have to expand this one because this one's already, we can't expand that anymore. So these two you should be able to do on your own. These will have more practice with it. The main things that I would like you to remember about these are the math words, the key words to help you figure out if you're going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Those are not so much of all the other stuff, is can you recognize those key words and what they mean? Take away, more, each, moved away. All of those words are the ones that you are going to be practicing being able to recognize so you can write those equations.